Anastasia here, back with another video for you guys, back with another banger. And today I'm doing like a get ready with me slash my like quick beat, you know, something slight. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, help me get like 50 likes on this video, maybe more. And if you like this look, keep on watching. So now I already prepped my face with my moisturizer and stuff like that. I'll link it down below, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit. And then like, so next I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm just going to dot that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my E.l.f. Camo concealer and putting that underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take this like broken up Makeup Revolution Roxy contour powder and just contour the cheekbones. Don't forget the jawline. Next, I'm gonna take my Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna just put that underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna put my bridge of my nose, just a little bit. My lip area. And then I'm just gonna take some of that powder and then like contour underneath the jawline, just to give you that chisel look, you know. Now I'm just gonna dust off all that powder with my powder brush. Now, if you like want to, you can add a little bit more. I like a lot of bronzer around my face, so I'm gonna add this a little bit more bronzer. Next, I'm going to use my Mud Makeup blush here and do a little blush. And I feel like that warms up your face just a little bit, you know? Can't go wrong with blush. I just feel like it adds a little bit of warmth back into your face. Then I like to do like underneath my cheeks, just to like give you that cute girl look, like your nose area, just like that. Next, I'm gonna just, you know, clean up my eyebrows just a little bit. Eye area, so I'm just gonna do like a neutral brown look. So first color I'm gonna be taking is from this BH Cosmetics BFF palette, and I'm going to be taking the brown shade and it's going all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to be taking this like chrome, like green to purple shade and just put it in my eyelid. It's like chrome, like gold, green. Then I'm just going to blend it out. Then I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I'm using this E.l.f. eyeliner here. Next, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty mascara here. So finally, maybe not finally, but lastly, I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter. On. Bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow area, chin area, just to give you that glow. Use like your favorite lip gloss. Actually, I'm just gonna line my lips and then add some more gloss. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more lip oil. You know what I forgot to do? Contour my nose. So I'm gonna do that right now. Then lastly, I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. This. Melt all my makeup together, you know? If you need to add some more product after you set your face, because sometimes what the setting spray does, it blends everything together and then like it leaves all one again. So sometimes, you know, if you need to add more contour, add more blush. Just make sure it's not cakey, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look, you know, something slight, something natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.